Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to do images with your highlighting. Okay, in the last video I showed you how to download some images from Pixabay, and what I've done here is I've just created an images thing that just basically put the image in there, gave it a name, so in the future I can just copy these over and make a highlight out of them. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new cross to it. In fact, it's going to be this cross to show you what I'm doing here. Now, to add an image is no different from using it in the style. You go to the style, we're going to give it here. I'm going to rename it cross. Okay, and I'm going to go down to image, click to the image. Now I could use one of these images in here, for example this cross, and you see that that's there, and that cross can be colored. Whoops, where'd it go? So we choose the automatic, we can give it a color, and as you see we have a colored cross. But we're going to import an image. And up there we go. So this is the cross that I want. And so we definitely don't want it pink, but you see that only the cross shows up pink, so that would work if I decided I wanted the cross to be a solid color. So that's it. I've created a cross design that I've put in here. Now I'm going to use that, but before I do, I'm going to duplicate it. Okay, and then I'm going to move the duplicate to Revelation, where I'm going to use it. Okay, come up here and close this one. Okay, so now I'm going to edit this one, and I'm going to call it Jesus, and I'm going to move it to after the text, save it. Now in Revelation, here's how we're going to use it. Revelation of Jesus Christ, which God gave unto him. Him is Jesus. So we click on that. To show unto his servants. Now let me show you when you right click. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, no. Sorry about that, guys. Hang on. Okay, when you highlight this and just let go of the mouse. Don't right click it. Now right here, see how it says Revelation Jesus? That's the last tag I used. So I can just keep adding these tags. This way I don't have to go across the screen and get it. Hang on, come on. Highlight his only. There we go. And tag it. So I have so we see who he is in each of these cases, and we already have John as a name, so we go down here and pick out John. Well, that's on the wrong item, but that's the same thing. So now we can look at it and we can see that Jesus is the one in here, but speaking, because I've got the gold cross, and I don't need to think I will misunderstand that to be John or the Father in this case. So any rate, that's it, folks, and I hope this comes in handy, and I'll have to see what else I'll be making videos of. I think that's it for the highlighting series. You guys have a great day, and God bless.